In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PlayStation account on Discord. By the end, your Discord profile can show what you're playing on PlayStation, making it easier for friends to see your activity and connect with you. The process is quick, secure, and happens entirely inside Discord using PlayStation's official sign-in. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left corner of the app window. Next to your avatar and username, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear to open your user settings. This is where Discord keeps all your personal settings and connected apps. Inside user settings, find and select the section labeled Connections. This page is a hub for linking different services to your Discord account. You'll see a grid of logos for platforms and apps you can connect. It's also where you can manage visibility options, like whether to show connected accounts on your Discord profile or display your current activity to others. Now look for the PlayStation logo, often labeled PSN. Click the PlayStation logo to begin the link. Discord will open the official PlayStation sign-in page in a secure window. Sign in with your PlayStation account credentials and follow the prompts to confirm the connection. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so you can complete the sign-in smoothly. You may be asked to grant Discord permission to see basic account and activity information from PlayStation. Approve the request to finish the link. That's all there is to it. After a moment, Discord will confirm that your PlayStation account is connected. When you hop on your console and play a supported game, your Discord profile can show your PlayStation activity. If you prefer more privacy, check the options on the Connections page to control what appears on your profile or activity status. Keep in mind, PlayStation privacy settings can also affect what's visible, so stricter settings may limit what Discord can display. If your PlayStation activity doesn't appear right away, give it a little time to sync. Common causes for delays include a spotty internet connection, being signed into a different PlayStation account than expected, or privacy settings that hide your online status. Ensuring your Discord app is up to date can also help. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Connections page to manage or remove the link. You've successfully connected your PlayStation account to Discord, making it easier to share your gaming moments with friends and communities.